Hi YouTube friends, I'm Jackie. Welcome to Gone Potty Gardening. Well, today I'm going to be having a look at some sprouting seeds and a little sprouter kit so that I can grow things indoors. Little sprouts, they're good for you, lots of vitamins and B1, A, C and E, loads of vitamins. So I want you to join me today and we're going to open the box and we're going to see what's in there. And also I've ordered some extra little packets of different seeds too. So let's open the box and see what's in there. So yeah, there's the little box it comes in. Grow fresh salad effortlessly anywhere in the house all year round for pennies per serving. Yeah, so that looks good, doesn't it? On the back it tells you all the vitamins and minerals, iron. So yeah, you could pick up quite a few good. You could pick up quite a few nutritional salad from this. Here's the trays. Here's the kit. So you've got the dark green tray at the bottom, and these ones just lift off. Ooh. Yep, so they're not huge, you know, they're probably about seven inches across in all directions. Yeah, and it just stacks nicely like that. So it wouldn't take up a lot of space in your house. You could have it on a windowsill or anywhere. And yeah, you'd have all your greens. It's especially good for me at the moment because I'm doing the keto diet, and I'll be able to add it to salads. I've always been a salad dodger myself, but this makes me eat more of it. I bought another one online, this one, fenugreek, which really smells of curry, really does. But that'd be nice, wouldn't it? Bit of spice. I don't know what seeds they send with it. It's quite a big bag. And I also read that you can store the seeds in the freezer. So in the case of this big bag here, I shall do that. I'll separate it out and put it into smaller bags. But I like coriander, it's my favourite, so that's quite a big bag of them. Now for a big bag like that, it probably costs about £9 in English money. So yeah, it's quite a big bag though. So I think what I'm going to do is try some coriander, some of the seeds that they've sent with it. I also picked up a couple of other packets. This one's sprouting pink kale. Yeah, again there's loads in there. And another one which is broccoli rabe. Yeah, so little tiny sprouts that give you all this nourishment and nutrients, and they don't take long to grow at all. So I'm going to go by the instructions and set this up and see how we get on. What I'm going to do is sprinkle, I think, some coriander, some of the seeds that came with the kit, and try some of the kale. So that'll be 3 different lots we'll be trying out. Let's get the trays there. So I read somewhere it said don't sprinkle too many because they bush out a lot, so I'm not going to do too many. You probably won't be able to see them very well, but I'm just going to try a few like that first and see how that gets on. Now in this one I'm going to put some coriander. They all seem to be rolling to the edges. Probably the table must be not straight. So that's those two. And then the last tray, and in this last tray is going to be some of the broccoli. So I'm just going to sprinkle some of that on there. So this is my first go at it. And what I'll do is I'm going to water them, spray them lightly. It says for the really bigger seeds you can soak them overnight. So I've got myself a sprayer and I'm just going to spray over them, get them damp. Do each layer. It's nice that you can still do little things, isn't it, over the winter. I have been thinking about doing my onions, which I need to do soon. My onions from seed. So this will be the last one. So basically that's all you do, and it says every couple of days to run a glass of water through it. So I'm going to pop that on the window in the kitchen, and we do get quite a lot of light there during the day. So, but we've also got a grow light there, so I think I might just pop that on. So there you go, I've popped it on the window there, it should be fine there. And I'm just going to pop the lights on. These are these bendy lights, which have been great for the pepper growing. It will just help them, probably get them really quickly, but it does say on the box 3 to 7 days to sprout. So I'll give you an update on that when they come through. Yeah, you probably can't see much now because of the light, but I'm going to leave them there. I'll pop you down into a spare room and show you the progress of the peppers that Helen was growing, or is growing, and the lettuce. The lettuce we've been using for our meals. So yeah, it'd be great. I'll pop you down there and show you. We did a little video a couple of weeks ago about using the indoor lights and that for growing things. And yeah, the peppers have come on nicely. I need to give them a bit of a water. They need a bit of water. And these are the lettuces that we've been harvesting. Now Helen's got this on a timer for the light, so yeah, look at that. It's really bushed out, isn't it? Really nice. So there you go. It's not bad at all, is it? At least we can do a little bit of something indoors. I've got ever such a lot to do outside. It's just been not good enough to get out there. So I know that come sort of January, I'm going to be out in the garden full time. I'm also soon going to be sowing the onions from seed, because you remember I didn't get the order through for the sets online, so I think soon I'm going to start them indoors in here on the windowsill. One of our subscribers has bought a house in Ireland and she's currently in New Zealand, so we've been trying to help her out a bit by going over and, you know, seeing what's there and what's working. We went over and we were going to check if any of the appliances worked when we got there, you know, but of course, would you believe it, the electric's been turned off, so that's where we've been during the week. I took some lovely photos of the area and I'll pop them after this. Yeah, lovely. Even a couple of old teapots still in the fireplace from a derelict building. Anyway, everyone, you all take care and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. why not come and join me on Facebook or Instagram? The link is in the description.